Good morning, students. Next topic is laws of radicals. These laws help us to solve the problem based on these square roots. For example, a to the power square root of a to the power n to the power n. We know that square root of a means power 1 by 2. A to the power 1 by 2. Here we can write a n is a to the power 1 by n. That means if I write 2a, then a to the power 1 by 2, and a 3 here, a to the power 1 by 3, and if I write a 5 here, then a to the power 1 by 5. Now here root a and n, that means a to the power 1 by n to the power n. That means a to the power 1 n into 1 by n cancel n, that is equal to a. For example, root 3 to the power 4, that means root 3 to the power 1 by 4. 4 root 3 to the power 4, that is equal to 3 to the power 1 by 4 to the power 4. 4 cancel 4, that is equal to 3. Next law is root a here n into root b n, that means a to the power 1 by n into b to the power 1 by n, that is equal to a into b to the power 1 by n, that means ab to the power 1 by n, or you can write it square root ab n. For example, for this, root 2 to the power 5 into root 3 to the power 5, same power is same, that is equal to 2 to the power 1 by 5 into 3 to the power 1 by 5, that is equal to 2 into 3 to the power 1 by 5, that is 6 to the power 1 by 5, or you can write it 6 5 here. Good morning, students. In number system, our next topic is laws of exponents for real numbers. So there is some laws of exponent powers. That is, first lies a to the power m into a to the power n is equal to a to the power m plus n. For example, 2 to the power 3 into 2 to the power 4, that is equal to 2 to the power 3 plus 4, that is 2 to the power 7. So base is same, powers are different, then powers will be added. 2 base is same, 3 plus 4, 2 to the power 7. Next lies a to the power m bracket power n, that is equal to a to the power m into n. Suppose 2 to the power 3 to the power 3 to the power 4, that is equal to 2 to the power 3 into 4, that is 2 to the power 12. This is the second law, means a is base, power is m, then bracket, then these two powers will multiply to each other, m, a to the power mn. Then base is same, a to the power n divided by a to the power n, then it become a m minus n. Suppose 2 to the power 5 divided by 2 to the power 3, that means 2 to the power 5 minus 3, that is equal to 2 to the power 2. And fourth law is a to the power m, b to the power m. Then a and b both base are different but powers are same, then a by b divided by b bracket m. Suppose 2 to the power 3 upon 5 to the power 3, that become 2 by 5 to the power 3. Next law is base is different, powers are same, then a to b to the power m. Suppose 2 to the power 3 into 3 to the power 5, 3 to the power 3, then 2 and 3. 2 into 3 to the power 3, that is 6 to the power 3. Next law is a to the power n is equal to 1 by a to the power minus n. Suppose 2 to the power 2, that is equal to 1 by 2 to the power minus 2, or 2 to the power minus 2 is equal to 1 by 2 to the power 2. We have to reciprocate. Suppose 2 by 3 to the power minus, example is 2 by 3 to the power minus 1, that is 3 by 2 to the power 1. Next is a to the power 0 is equal to 1. We know that 2 by 2 is equal to 1. So if 2's power is 1, 2 power is 1, 2, if we use this law, this one, a to the power m upon a to the power n, then m minus 1, then 2, 1 minus 1, that is equal to 2 to the power 0, that is equal to 1. Thank you.